Welcome to a new video on my Raspberry Pi 1 using Raspbian Linux, programmed in C and or Python, using a Raspberry Pi camera for live imaging, high definition, high density, with a Visitechnic made stand and connected via network, band cable, serial cable and HDMI. So the network cable right here is for VNC, virtual network computing. Then the band cable is for connection with breadboard with electronics, etc. I haven't used it for almost a year. Same goes, by the way, for the Raspberry Pi. Then the serial cable goes to network with Fedora Linux, used to connect and start several things like VNC server. The HDMI cable is supposed to go to this monitor, but that didn't pick up the signal. So much for that one. So after a year of doing nothing, I was very curious if things work. Well, I haven't tested the electronics yet, but I did test the camera, this camera, and that works via network. At least I made a program over a year ago, and that gives a nice view. So let's go there and see whatever is working and what's not working. Let's start with the simple thing. This is VNC. Well, not quite actually, because this is VLC media player playing the stream directly from the Raspberry Pi camera, and it's quite static, but that's no problem. What I did notice though, when I ended this whole series with this electronics about a year ago, I had some 10 seconds delay or a few seconds. Well, right now, let me take this one. This is both live. So now watch this. I go with my hand in front of the camera and then count. When you see my hand is appearing in the live stream. If it happens. I don't think it does happen. Moving my hand. Alright, closer. And now you see something. There's a considerable delay. Yeah, so that's 5 seconds. Ouch. Then this is what it streams. This is the VNC server, or the VNC client actually, with the program running. And because it's over network, the question is, what else can it stream? Well, one thing is that I have an Android tablet and an Android smartphone, different type of different versions of Android, and with my Android tablet it doesn't want to play, and let me put it like this, and then it would be nice if you could watch it. So yeah, light away. So this is VNC, and when I type the address, which I did before, but it takes it away. This is the address, and then this should work, and it says location can't be played. So much for the tablet. But I also have that Android smartphone, which I haven't tested yet, and also VLC. Okay, please respond. This is new to me. Okay. But does it do anything? Yes. So on this smartphone it actually does work. So now you have a screen here and a screen here, which proves that it actually does work, but this is a much newer and much faster device than that Android tablet, so that's probably the reason that it doesn't work on the tablet. Alright, and then there was also a possibility for a Mac, so let me turn it to the Mac, and yes, there it is on the Mac as well. I can make a short screencast part on that as well, but anyway, that does work. And now for some reason I lost my image here. Why will that be? Play. Yeah, there it comes again. So somehow I'm losing the, although it's one stream, I'm losing stuff here. And it is quite busy. Okay, now I am on the Mac, and I did show you a short video or a short glance on the recording on the image, and then just like you saw earlier that it crashed, here it crashed as well, and there's more to it because the microphone I usually use doesn't want to function, so I now record on the internal microphone of this Mac. Anyway, it is about this address, which should be working, and it does. And it's not doing anything right now, but I could start something and then see how well it works out. But the main thing is that the hardware of the Raspberry Pi still works, and that is very nice. So the question is, of course, why does the stream stop? I don't know, the camera keeps working, but all in all, I'm pleasantly surprised that it still works. What I wrote with regard to the camera. Of course, the tablet is too old, and well, the smartphone has a very small screen, so remains the working. Now there's something else going on, because as you can see, this is my iPad in Dutch, but it says open network stream, as you might figure out. It did show, but what it also does, and that's not good, is this. So I have to open the network stream, and and the camera is still working. So now this is my stream. Then I have to show the camera, of course. This is my stream as well. So for some reason it doesn't show multiple streams, because if I now look at my stream on the Mac, it's gone as well. Now let me open the stream, I hope. Yeah, now it opens after 3 attempts. So I'm quite curious why it stops streaming. It is one stream from one server. It only has to pick up the stream. So maybe it's too much asked for Raspberry Pi. That is a possibility, of course. And then, of course, I want to see if the electronics still work. So let's go there. And I will have to open a different terminal, which I hope is not too much asked for Raspberry Pi. Because, of course, such a video stream is laying a heavy resource on that stuff. Okay. And well, I let alone the motors because they won't work, but I can do some LED play, I suppose. Yeah, GPIO motor I don't do, because I think the motors were here somewhere. So yeah, what do I do? PI scope? No, I don't do it. Over RS232? No. Okay, let me just run something. So Pi. Yeah, and here you see that is in C++. But let me just run now. Oh, line is maybe a nice one. Whatever it does. Command not found. Oh, because it's called Python, not Pi. Does it do anything? And if so, on which one? Oh, wiring Pi isn't there. Yes. Okay. So if I have to do anything, then I should take a look at wiring Pi. Anyway, this works. This works. On the Mac it has failed again, and this still works. So why does VLC quit on me on several occasions, I don't know. But it's been a nice test. And it shows that Raspberry Pi 1 for me still works. Right, and for ending this video, on my Linux laptop it still runs. Here you can see it. Then on my iPad it quit working. And there it somehow doesn't work anymore. Here it's the same. Here it's the same, and on my MacBook it doesn't work anymore. And now Okay, on my Linux it just quits as well. So, all's not well. Maybe it's just a heavy demand, but I can't imagine that because it's sent all over the network. Unable to open the stream. Okay, so the stream has just quit. Anyway, it's been a nice try with, well, I have to figure out again how this works, which command for it. The camera does work. On devices, keeps quitting. Why? Don't know. But it's nice to experience that it still works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. What can I do better? What should I do or not do? You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please make a donation via either PayPal or Wired if you want to support my videos and blog. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. This is probably going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a nice day. Oh, by the way, take a look at my website for much more stuff on Raspberry Pi and Technique and other embedded stuff. In this video, my URL, and in the last segment everything is summarized. Bye bye.